What's up, you guys? We're gonna start off today by doing some healthy parfaits, and here are the ingredients. I just want y'all to know that these taste so good, and they take about like 10 to 15 minutes to make. Because I was recording, it said it took me about 20 minutes, so just know that this is good. So FYI, this Greek Gods honey vanilla Greek yogurt or whatever is so good. Like the tastiest Greek yogurt I've ever had, because Greek yogurt is pretty gross. But both flavors taste really good. This is my first time trying the strawberry, and I used to be able to find a big tub at Sam's Club, but I literally can't find a big tub there no more. Like, I think they replaced it with something else, and I don't like that other yogurt, so I'm gonna have to keep getting the small ones until I find another size. But yeah, y'all, so I have 8 jars. Me and my boyfriend live together, so I'm making his in the colorful jars, and I'm making mine in the more aesthetic gray tan jars, right? So also the jars are 10 ounces, and you can find that in my Amazon storefront. And since I'm using this for 2 people, I just wish I had 2 extra jars so I can get a Monday through Friday supply rather than a Monday through Thursday. But yeah, super easy to make. I am adding almond butter to a few of mine. I try to do 2 plain and 2 with almond butter for like extra hefty snack that day, depending on how hungry I am. And then I add cinnamon as well. I just feel like it gives it another little spice, razzle dazzle. Or with my boyfriend's jars, I go in heavily with almond butter because he really likes it, and it just fills him up more. After I go in with the cinnamon, I like to go in with granola. I personally like crunchy granola. Like, I like the texture in my yogurt or parfait, but my boyfriend likes the soggy kind. So if you like the crunchy texture, I would advise you to put that in a separate bag, like in the pantry, and then put it into your parfait. So yeah, because when you do put it in the refrigerator, it does get soggy. So yeah, after that, I start to make it pretty, and I dress it up with the fruits. I got these fruits from Amazon Fresh. This was my first time shopping from them. I don't know, they did really well on the fruits. The fruits felt very like fresh. It was sweet. Like, this was a great pick. Like, thank you to my shopper, whoever got it for me. So I was very pleased with that. And then after you dress it up, I add some honey over it and call it a day. So yeah, this is really good to like help you portion yourself and try and lose and maintain your weight. So, you know, you can shape it up however you want. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am a lifestyle content creator, so I have a bunch of different stuff on my channel. So make sure you go check it out. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
The sun is shining, it's a new day.